Hey guys, this is your guy Paul, and today we are doing a fuel filter change on this Range Rover. This is a Range Rover M57 engine, the one that is found in BMW X5. So here is a fuel filter. I don't know the brand. The brand name is something. I don't know very much. But now I'm going to use this one, this brand. What the name of the brand? TJ. I don't know whether it's I would have wished to get the original part, but this one will do. So tools that we need, we will need a flat screwdriver. This one, flat screwdriver. We will need Torx number 30 with a wrench. So simply what you need to do, step 1, you need to open here with Torx 30. Hey, this is Torx 30. Why would it slip? And let me check why it's slipping. It's not supposed to slip. This is a bolt, you hold it with your hand. This is to make sure it does not fall on the engine compartment. Then you can use your flat, remove this fuel sensor. You see this fuel sensor here. You just unclip like that. Then you slide it like that. Then remove this holder here, this fuel sensor holder. You can slide it like that. Okay, put it somewhere safe. Remove the fuel sensor. Off like that. This is a fuel sensor. I don't know how it operates. It looks so simple. Now you use your, what do you call it, your flat spanner. Open these Jubilee clips. Open the Jubilee clips. I don't know whether I should use gloves. I don't know on spills. I use Jubilee flat spanner to open the Jubilee clip like that on both sides. And there's a lot of fuel. There's a lot of fuel inside my fuel filter. It's all going to waste. It's very unfortunate. Hey, let me wear my gloves. Like that. Now I have my gloves. The Jubilee clips. I think this is loose enough. Then you can wingle the pipes like that. Remember, since we disconnected the battery, this pipe is not pressurized because the pump is not running. So also this one, do the same. These Jubilee clips, I think they are very easy to work with. Yeah, you apply some force here. Oh my god, there was some spill. But don't worry, in mechanics or in this field, spills is the order of the day, so don't worry. Then don't know whether it's T30. There is a bolt here that holds the fuel filter. You're supposed to unlock it. Yeah, you're supposed to. No, this one you're not going to use 40. I think you'll use T30. T30 is Torx 30. Let me see if Torx 30 works. Yeah, Torx 30 works. Like that. Very simple. Mine fell. Oh my god, where did it fall? Anyway, I'll look for it. Now you slide this up like that. Remember, it's full of diesel. I don't know whether to spill this diesel to the new fuel filter. Let me check. I'm going to fuel diesel prices in Kenya right now. It's very expensive. A liter of diesel goes for roughly $2. Yeah, actually a liter of diesel in Kenya is going for $2. $2 on 30 times 2 to 60. Yeah, $2. Remove these caps. So yeah, remove these caps, and be keen on these inlet pipes so that you don't confuse. Yeah, make sure you don't confuse them, because I believe there is an intake and an outlet. Like that. Let me see. So yeah, should be like that. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to recycle the diesel. I don't know how possible that is. Good work. But in your country, if the diesel prices is cheap or affordable, you can still do away with it. But here in Kenya, fuel prices is very expensive because of the ongoing war and the blockage of Strait of Hormuz in Iran. Kenya imports its fuel from Saudi Arabia through a program called G2G, government to government, of which most Kenyans are complaining because we don't know the contents of that government to government program. Some politicians are saying that the government is doing business with its people, with the Kenyans, and they're making money. Anyway, I don't know how safe it is to use this diesel from the filter. I know someone will tell me this is a dirty fuel, but nevertheless, there's no way I'm going to lose over. This is almost half a liter worth of diesel. That is like almost $1. You return like that. Then you return the clips, these hose pipes. Return the hose pipes. Like that, and also the other one. Maybe I still need to loosen it further. Yeah, like that. You slide all the way in like that. Then the Jubilee clips, pull them back and you tighten them. I don't know who broke mine. Mine looks broken. Anyway, so I have to look for an alternative. And so now you have your this is the fuel filter. What is going on here? And I look for it. Now you place it back like that, and then you push this hose pipe in there. Same case to this other side, but my Jubilee clip, it's like it does not want to go back there. Decided to disappear. but I'll look for it. You push it all in. Now after that, time to assemble. Remember, we have lost our Jubilee clip here. I'm going to look for it, but in the meantime, let me just assemble everything so that I can be able to drive the car and check underneath the vehicle. Yeah, that is what I'm planning to do, because I have also lost one bolt, but that does not mean we cannot drive the car. We can still drive the car. It's drivable. T30. Use T30. Don't tighten it too. I think that's enough, because I'm going to drive the car so that I can look for my missing parts. So allow me to do that. I'd forgotten something. Don't forget the clip. Yeah, this fuel sensor, like that. Yeah, don't forget. So now I'm improvising. Remember, I lost one bolt. I'm improvising with this. This is a hexagonal number 10, like that. Do not over tight. Do not over tighten. I think mine is over tighten. Yeah, don't over tighten it. Now I lost my Jubilee clip, and I don't have any Jubilee clip that would actually fit here. So what I'm going to do, it's quite loose. I'll try and use zip tie. 2 zip tie. I don't know how effective they are going to be, but since it's the only item I have, that is what I'm going to do. Make sure it's as tight as possible, and then you cut the excess part. You cut the excess part like that. Yeah, now we are good to go. What I don't know is next time when I need to open there, I don't know how I'm going to open it. Maybe I can add another one. Yeah, I can add another one since I have it. It does not hurt, but I will need to buy Jubilee clips. This is what I'm learning. I'm learning the hard way. That. So we are done, and that is how you change fuel filter on Range Rover M57 engine L322 3000cc diesel. So if you have liked my content, please consider subscribing and liking the content. Thank you.